Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking today. Boy and Dulabic here. So, are you looking for a vlogging kit and an external mic for $40? Stay tuned. Alright guys, before we get started, just some housekeeping. This product was sent to me by Vitopal free of charge for this review. However, as always, they're not reviewing this video before it's being published, and all the opinions you're going to hear are my own. So, let's get started. This is the VM-i2 microphone by Vitopal, which also comes as a smartphone vlogging kit. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. Here's the box itself, and inside you will find a black carrying case. Inside that you will find various items. Here's a small tripod, a flexible phone clamp, a windscreen, a dead cat, the microphone itself, cable to connect this to a cell phone, cable to connect this to a camera, a hot shoe adapter, and a manual. And here you can see all the items at once. This is what the whole kit looks like when used with a phone. It's a very convenient vlogging kit that's easy to carry. The tripod is very easy to use and makes this extremely versatile. Here's the mic when used with a regular camera. Having the option of using the included windscreen and dead cat will help with controlling wind noise. Now let's hear some audio examples.
Alright guys, so I'm outside right now. I got the mic right here hooked up to my phone. I'm at an area I usually go to, so there's a lot happening around here in terms of noise. I got the mic with the windscreen on, so this is what it sounds like. I'm just going to be quiet for a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to put the dead cat on and see what that sounds like. Alright, so here I am again now with the dead cat on, and this is what that sounds like. So again, I'm just going to be quiet for a little bit. So there you go. That's what that sounds like.
Alright guys, so here we are back in the studio, and this is what this sounds like. I got the mic hooked up to my phone, and this is a very quiet environment to begin with, so not a lot of noise. I'm just going to be quiet for a little bit just so you can hear the background. Okay, so that's what that sounds like. Again, I'm about 2 feet away, which is the sweet spot, I would say, for this type of a setup. You really shouldn't be further away, because then it just doesn't sound that good. So up to 2 feet I think is fine, which for vlogging is probably, it's probably a good distance anyway. As you're as you're holding it, walking around, that's 1 to 2 feet is what you're going to be, the distance you're going to be away from the mic anyway. So that's what that sounds like. Alright, so now I'm back using the lav mic. Obviously there's going to be a difference using a lav mic versus using the on-camera mic, and yeah, that's what that sounds like. So all in all, I mean, I think this is a pretty sweet setup for $40. 40 US dollars, actually a little bit less than 40 in some cases, but let's say $40. You are getting a pretty sweet kit. You know, if you are a, well, let's talk about who this is for. So if you're a vlogger, obviously this kit will be for you for sure. If you are a beginner, and whether you're a vlogger or whether you just need the mic for your camera, this will do the job for sure. If you need a mic as a backup, if you're recording, if you have a lav system that records separately, and then you want to have a backup mic, this will do the job for sure. Now, is this mic as good as a $300-400 mic? No, of course not, but it's, it's $30, so we got to put that into perspective. So considering the price, yeah, this is a pretty sweet setup. There's no doubt about that. Considering all the accessories you get with the inside the bag and everything, it's pretty sweet. I mean, I really, you can't go wrong with that. You've heard the quality, right? What it sounds like outside, what it sounds like in this studio environment, and it's pretty decent. This is not a mic I would use if you are more than 3 feet away, right? 2-3 feet, that's probably what you want to use it for. So that's why for vlogging, this is gonna do the job for sure, right? So yeah, that's it. As always, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends and all that good stuff. Affiliate links to everything will be in the description, and as mentioned, they are affiliate links, so it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help the channel and helps me, you know, buy more stuff to review stuff. So all good. So thank you guys, and stay tuned for more.